Hello everyone, and welcome to this Emini S&P futures review using SmartTools for SmartLevels. The chart is a 2-point range bar chart based on tick data. I'm reviewing 4 days here from the beginning of the week Monday. These black bars here represent the overnight trading activity on Monday, and the market opened up here in no man's land, no trade here. This setup bar, the short setup straddling the day trading level, was at 1056. You can tell the market was just moving very, very slowly. This would have been a reasonable setup to take in retrospect or hindsight, as you can see. And had you missed the first setup bar, you could have entered again here at 1136. The market was moving very slowly, but it did eventually drift down to this lower position trading level. And then it was back up into no man's land here. This setup bar here, had you taken a trade off this first blue setup bar, it would have reached the first profit target and almost gotten to the second one before falling back. This is just at the end of the day, 1539, 20 minutes before the market closes. This is a short setup, which would have been a losing trade. And then it was off to the overnight session again, which pushed the market higher going into Tuesday. The market opened up here Tuesday. This is at 9:39. So it made this move up. First short setup bar clearly did not trigger and then headed back higher. This long setup here is the trade of the day on Tuesday. It's a great setup. The entry is above the position trading level. Entering on a pullback to the position trading level would have been prudent, as you can see. However, the market did go up to reach the overhead day trading level all on its own. And then going into the close, this short setup here was at, well, half hour before the market closed. It triggered and reached both profit targets well ahead of this position trading level. But had you shot for the position trading level, you would have certainly increased your profitability. Okay, going into Wednesday, we have a mess. The market pulled down in the overnights. As you can see, this this long setup bar is sandwiched between these two position trading levels. Can't quite reach the overhead first profit target, and this would be a good trade to pass on, considering the target is on the wrong side of this next higher position trading level. I would have liked to have taken a setup bar higher here, something that straddles this day trading level. And the market pulls back here. Here's the trade to take when that market failed to come back. This reaches the first profit target and almost the second before reversing lower. This short setup of the day is a beautiful one. Just 20 minutes before the lunch hour, reaches both profit targets. And during the lunch hour, it continues down into this lower position trading level. And that was it for the day for this market. Moving on to today. This is the overnight trading activity last night. And we are in a mess again. We have a long setup here off this day trading level. I don't like it. I didn't take it. I wouldn't take it. I'll show you the setup. See, it only makes it halfway to the first profit target, which is coincident with the overhead position trading level. Back down again. The short setup bar is straddling the day trading level. It does reach the first profit target. Again, a trade to pass on, considering that the target is on the wrong side of this position trading level. If you did take the trade, it would have been prudent to really be careful once the market penetrated this 1257.25 level and look for some sort of retracement. Certainly any stringer contracts, you would have not wanted to go beyond break even in terms of risk. Then it was back up. This long setup bar straddled the day trading level, went on to reach both profit targets and the overhead position trading level at 1266. And that's it for today. So long for now.